Alright guys, 2012 F250 four-wheel drive, 6.2 liter. Having a whining noise coming from the passenger side front end. I'm not sure if it's a wheel bearing or what it is. It happens under acceleration. If I tap the brakes, or if I jolt the wheel back and forth, or if I hit a bump, it tends to go away, but it'll come right back. I'm sitting at a red light right now. Hopefully I'm going to come up on these train tracks and come out and be able to make it whine away, and hopefully you guys can give me your opinions on what the sound would be. So I'm going to wait till a green light and I will give it a go. Alright, had to wait for the train to pass. Here we go. Passenger side window down, so hopefully it's a little bit louder. See if we can make it whine. So there, it went away on its own. Tap the brakes, make it stop. No change in ride quality. You know, I'm not really sure what's going on. Hopefully one of y'all can give me some help, point me in the right direction on what to look for, and I can get it taken care of. Thank you guys.